The results of this test seem to match up with what we would probably see in real life. I mean, people often seek to develop relationships, both platonic and romantic, with people that are benevolent. Naturally, a person of any gender or sexuality would prefer someone who is kind and helpful, with minor exceptions like the unconscious decision of choosing a hostile partner based on comfort from abusive parental relationships. The content and the predictive validity of this experiment doesn't seem to line up for me. Some of the questions presented in the survey don't necessarily suggest benevolent sexism. I think that there is a fine line between acts of altruism and acts of implicit sexism. Just because a heterosexual male performs a helpful act for a heterosexual female doesn't suggest that it is implicitly sexist. Therefore, it would be hard to conclude that the behaviors of the that the heterosexual women preferred in this study are dangerous for them in a socio-political context. And I also be interested to see who and how they tested for feminist attitudes, since feminist values can kind of vary in different cultural contexts. The egalitarian ideology of feminism may look very different for a Muslim woman in Africa versus a Christian woman in America, and that might affect the result of the study, as each woman could have different reasons for accepting that behavior.